A 41-year-old American man, driven mad by drugs, attacked a nursing home in St. Charles, Illinois, with a chainsaw. The police tried to calm the crazy man down, but persuasion had no effect on the attacker. Then the law enforcement officers used weapons, the New York Post reports. According to the newspaper, the incident occurred back in December 2024, but the recording from the police officer's body camera has only just appeared. The footage shows that the police first resort to diplomacy and even try to neutralize the criminal with tasers. However, this does not help, and then shots are fired from live weapons. The criminal died in the hospital from his wounds.
Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. I got one at taser point. Step it up. Drop it. Taser up one. Taser. Hey. Hey, right here! He's right here! He's right here! Come on! Get him out! Come here! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Attention, all I retreated. We're going to St. Charles.
Drop it! Get him over! Get him over!
During the investigation, it was established that the police did not violate regulations and used weapons legally. They were not charged with any crimes.